what we've been doing is doing 3 shovels of sharp sand, 1 shovel of grano, and then 1 shovel of cement. It just makes a much more sturdier mix. So this is fully customized capping, all made to order, especially for this project. So it's pretty cool. So honed and calibrated Brinskell buff, the exact same stone as we use in the wall and for the corner coins. We also had these drip lines put in. So if ever you have an overhang over your wall, so that's to keep water off the face of the wall. Alright, what's up guys? This hasn't exactly gone to plan. I knew it was going to rain, but not quite like this. Step 1 today is finish these cobbles off. So we've got this row of raj, 2 more raj, and then the final will be the black line border. And then we'll have a reorganise, and then we'll move on to the porcelain patio for the rest of the day. So yeah, catch us on the next episode for that project walkthrough. As always, make sure to like, comment and subscribe. Hit that subscribe button, it would mean the world to us.